Hi students, welcome to my video lecture. This is Radha from Department of Computer Science, Dr. MJ Educational and Research Institute. Today's topic is arrays. Let's move on to the topic. Arrays. An array is used to store collection of items having the same data type. All arrays consist of contiguous memory locations. The lowest address corresponds to the first element and the highest address to the last element. In this figure, number of 0 is the first element. This slide shows you syntax of declaring arrays. The general syntax is type array name within square bracket array size. This is called a single dimensional array. The array size must be an integer constant greater than 0 and type can be any valid C data type like integer, float, character, like that. For example, to declare a 10-element array called balance of type integer, use this statement int balance of 10. Here, balance is a variable which is sufficient to hold up 10 integer number. The next topic is initializing arrays. This slide teaches you how to assign values to the arrays. We can initialize an array in C either one by one or using a single statement as follows. Consider an integer array named balance of size 4. In method 1, we have initialized all the values one by one, like balance of 0 equal to 1000, balance of 1 equal to 2, like that it goes on. In method 2, we have initialized all the values in a single statement using curly braces. These two methods are correct. We can use either one of these. But the number of values between braces cannot be larger than the number of elements that we declare for the array between square brackets. We can also omit the size of the array. An array just big enough to hold all values which is assigned. Therefore, we can assign more values without worrying about size. In this following example, we have declared a array balance without specifying the size. But it is big enough to hold all the values which is assigned within curly braces. Next one is two-dimensional array. The general syntax for two-dimensional array is type array name row size column size. Type should be any valid data type like integer, float, character, and so on. Array name should be a valid name. Row size and column size should be an integer which should be greater than 0. For example, int a of 3 and 4. So this is a two-dimensional array which contains 3 rows and 4 columns as shown below. This slide shows you how to initialize two-dimensional arrays. Multidimensional arrays may be initialized by specifying bracketed values for each row. Following is an array with 3 rows and each row has 4 columns. First row is indexed by 0 and it has 4 columns. The second row indexed by 1 and the third one is indexed by 2, like that. Each row must be separated by a curly braces. Thank you, students.